Hey guys, today not okay, we're gonna play Flappy Bird. Yep, old game, right? I'm good at this game actually. Well, I don't know, maybe like before. So yeah, let's start this. It's right. Ooh, told you guys I'm good at this. And I kinda don't want. No, what the? Wow, I got a little scared there. Oh, I'm Smurf Bird. Yeah, we gotta get Nimikish. Why am I keep on dying at 7? I don't. Gosh. Fly like a bird. Yeah, I'm not dying at 7 anymore. 7-11, lol. Shit. Okay. Meow. Oh gosh. 69, Sugoi, 96, 69, 96, 69. Oh, get up. Gold. Up. Drop the base. Yep. 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 Yay. Oh. Shh. Oh my god. I wish there's black bird there. Like. Gosh. I don't like this bird. Oh, that's really upsetting. Oh, Smurf bird. Okay. Shh. This is crap. What the? Oh, let's get back to the game. Woo! 11, 12, baby. Okay. Ariana Grande, Sasha Grey. Kate Upton, Jennifer Lawrence, Scarlett Johansson, Gloria Schmidt, Catherine Bernardo. I don't know anymore. Fuck it. Fuck it. No, what? I don't know. This game. It's frustrating. It's killing me. Gosh. Do it! No. Fuck it. This is gonna be my last one. Yep. Concentrate like a bird. Alright, so that's it. Bye guys. Don't forget to leave a comment and like and subscribe. You can download this on Google Play. Oh wait, no. You can just search it at Google, like Happy birthday, PK. Yeah, so bye. Thanks for watching.